Hey y'all, it's Chris Evans, the extraordinaire. And no, I'm not talking about Chris Evans, the actor, though he did play and act as my favorite superhero. And nope, I'm not talking about the Human Torch. I'm talking about the man himself, Captain America. Yeah, that's right, fanboy for life over here. Well, I want to thank you all for taking the time and checking out my first intro video, talking data and more. You know, as we're dealing with COVID-19 and how it's affecting businesses, our employment, and even our livelihoods, I wanted to revisit something that I used to do really well at, and that's blogging, and now kind of bring that back to the forefront into the vlogging area and provide those insights that I'm sharing today with current customers about how do we work around these new uncertain times. How are we still being able to deliver these data-driven solutions, whether that be moving to the cloud, CDP, integration, or whatnot? How do we do that today? But I wanted to do it in a way that had a little bit of swagger to it. You know what I mean? If you're checking this out, I'm assuming most of you all know me. You know, it's always good to have a little bit of swagger. You know, and if you're like me too, you probably listen to a lot of tech talk videos, and let me tell you, most of them that I listen to are dry like toast. I literally feel like when I'm listening to the vlogger talk, I am in a Ferris Bueller movie. Bueller? Remember that point? Remember that? Yeah, that part. Remember that part? I literally feel like that is the type of vlogger that is talking to me and informing me, you know, how do we handle moving to the cloud, or how do we create CDP solutions? Well, I wanted to get rid of that dry talk and do it in a fun, cool way that had that swag, and also mixing it up and, you know, talk about things that I like, such as comic books. I'm a huge comic book fan, as well as, you know, music. Huge hip-hop fan as well. So I'm hoping that these series provide some insights as well as fun, because right now we need the fun as we're dealing with COVID-19 in these uncertain times. So I ask you all to please check out my videos. I'll be dropping videos every Tuesday discussing topics like, how do you start your data-driven initiatives? What is your road, you know, that you're going to take? You know, getting into details about CDP, and I might mix it up and bring on some, you know, industry, industry folks that, you know, have that deeper knowledge that can really get into that technical talk, but in a fun way. Again, I'm not going to make it dry like toast, I promise you. And if I do, please leave a comment and say, Chris, this is dry like toast, and we'll make sure we'll put some butter on it. Well, I want to thank you all for checking out my intro video, and make sure you check out my first video I will be dropping next Tuesday, where I'll be talking data and more. All right, y'all, take care.